Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, and when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the home business community. So we're talking about cryptocurrency, and for today, we want to talk about gas. Now, I know there will be somebody in my comments that are going to be making all kinds of crazy jokes, but we're not talking about that kind of gas. We're not talking about the gas you put in your car. We're talking about gas as it relates to cryptocurrency. And so let's talk about it. And one of the main reasons that you need to know this for my tax pros and also for my cryptocurrency users is that gas is going to be important to the basis of your Ethereum. Okay. So gas is the unit of calculation that indicates the fee for a transaction, whether you are performing a smart transaction or you're sending a transaction. Gas is the unit that determines the fee, okay? And the gas has two components. There's the gas limit and the gas price. Now, the gas limit is exactly what it sounds. It's the maximum amount of gas that you are willing to pay in order to perform that transaction on the Ethereum blockchain specifically, okay? Now, on the Ethereum blockchain, the minimum is 21,000. So the gas price then is the amount of gwei. Gwei is the unit of gas. that is how it's measured. It's called a gwei. Gwei stands for gigawatt, and I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But according to Google, I am, but that don't mean nothing. Okay, so a wei, W-E-I, is the smallest unit of ether, which is equal to 1/1 billionth of an ether, if I counted the zeros correctly and my basic math did not fail me, okay? So then a gigawatt is then the measure of the this is the measure of the gas price. My brain went, it just, off in left field. Anywho, the fees are calculated and then in gigawatts, all right? So again, the gas limit is how much you'll spend. So the great thing about the gas limit is that it prevents users from being charged a whole bunch of money that they really were not intending to spend. So there will be some places that set the limit, and there will be some places where you can adjust the limit. The main thing with the limit, again, is the minimum is 21,000. And then, but if you set something higher, that means that your transaction is going to be performed faster. If you set something lower, then your transaction will be performed slowly and perhaps not even at all, depending on the amount of gigawatts that you set as a limit. So just understand that there's reasons for doing one or the other, okay? The other thing, let's see. I want to make sure I get all my notes in. So, so again, there's the gas limit and the gas price. The price is the amount of gigawatts, and then the gas limit is the maximum that you're willing to commit. Now, the important thing about this is that the fees are added to the basis of the coin. So if you are, let's say, trading Ether for something else, for another coin, and there's going to be that transaction fee. That transaction fee gets added on to the basis of the new coin. So I want to make sure that you understand that it's important to track these fees, and not just on the Ethereum blockchain, but on all blockchains for those transaction fees, because it gets added to your basis. And I think people miss that part when calculating their basis for trading in their cryptocurrency. So that's what gas is in cryptocurrency. It's on the Ethereum blockchain, and this is what you are going to pay in transaction fees in order to perform specific transactions. Very simple, right? No, really, it's just understanding that's the fee. All right, that those transaction fees, the more you pay, the faster your transaction is going to move. The less you pay, the slower it's going to move. So you really got to make some decisions in setting your limits for your transactions. All right. So I really hope that helps you out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Home Biz Tax Talk, and we will see you next time. Bye.